Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the butt plug set by the Teazers collection. So let's get started. So these are the butt plugs themselves. It comes in a set of 3 and these butt plugs are perfect for beginners who perhaps want to experience anal stimulation for the first time. So as mentioned before, the plugs have varying sizes, so you can start small and simply work your way up to build to the largest plug just here. On the base is a beautiful rose gold, and on there is just the Teazers logo. So it's a very fun design, and it's made of a soft silicone material, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch, and it will feel amazing on your skin as well. It has a pointy tip for easy insertion, and it's also flexible, so it makes sure the plugs are easy to insert. Now, when using these butt plugs, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean the plugs after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the butt plug set by the Teazers collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.